welcome back to Wicked Ones Tarot. My name's Carmen, and today we're going to do a reading for Taurus. Let's call in spirit with some wind chime time. That's a pretty good one. I feel like there's something good happening in your life, Taurus. Let's see what it is. I'm drawn to the Energy Oracle cards. So, let's see what we have for you. What do we have for Taurus? I hope you have some wonderful weather wherever you are today and that you get to enjoy nature. Or at least like a really good laugh. Nope, looks like you need nature. The sun. Alright, so this is a card that can talk about happiness, information coming to light. I think this is happiness. Taurus, we've got somebody here who has been patient. Not exactly your strong suit, but I still believe it's you. And there's happiness here. There may have been something you've been working really hard on about yourself in terms of something you wanted to improve, and you're seeing the benefits of, that work that you've been putting in. It's harvest season, you guys. Ooh, okay. We also have a woman holding a coin. She's my resting bitch face card. Let's see what her story is. Oh. That's a lot of cards, you guys. So I'm not going to keep all of these. I think the important one here is door to romance. But we have deceit and door to romance. And fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael, and appreciation. So it feels to me like we had somebody that was deceitful pertaining to how they felt about this woman holding a coin. And there's an opportunity to change this or balance out the scales. Alright, I'm being drawn to the gold foil tarot, so we'll continue there. Probably because we have gold around the Energy Oracle cards as well. What else do we have for Taurus, please? So we have the Page of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. Somebody is trying to decide whether or not to send a message, start fresh, and this decision they're trying to make is pertaining to their happiness. There's been a little bit of a wait here. Due to this person trying to really think about the situation. Yeah, there could be there may be too many options, too many pathways that have caused a little bit of confusion here, Taurus. Because somebody is trying to make sure that they make the right decision, take the right approach. We have the Eight of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups in the reverse. I think somebody is really concerned over this decision because in the past, maybe even recent past, they put in a lot of effort with an emotionally manipulative and heartless Queen of Cups in the reverse. So this would have been somebody that tried to come off as, a pretty good partner, but they were really selfish, maybe even I don't know. I get the sense that they maybe stepped out, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, there's somebody here just trying to be a little bit cautious because in the past they invested in the wrong areas, the wrong people, and they don't want to learn the same lessons that they've already learned. So this sounds like somebody who wants to find a way to ensure that they're only investing in people who are loyal or honest or of good character. We have the Knight of Wands and the Five of Cups. There may be hesitation moving towards this thing that makes this person happy because in the past there may have been some hot and cold or breadcrumbing or even like gaslighting. Somebody is regretting how they treated somebody they cared about, and it's taken a while. They may still be in this energy, but I feel like they're about to come out of it. It's taken a while to let go of the regrets of the past or feeling bad over how things were handled so that they could take note of the fact that there are still two cups here. There's still hope for the future. So we have the Seven of Cups and Eight of Pentacles being clarified by the Magician and the King of Cups. Someone was really hurt by this Queen of Cups in the reverse. There was a sense when they made this decision that they had really considered everything around them and they were getting what they wanted. But this person was careless with this King of Cups heart, and they began to regret the hard work and effort they had put into this relationship. The feminine energy could have Cancer in her birth chart somewhere. Otherwise, I feel like with the Chariot, the Ace of Wands, and the Devil in the reverse, there was someone here extremely motivated to have a new beginning, willing to pull out all the stops. I'm determined to have this new life, this new beginning. I know how to get it. I'm going to get it. But they may have had a different vision when they started working towards this new life than they do now. There's something they've had to let go of, something that was a burden that was holding them back. This could be codependency or an addiction. And I feel like they have let go of that. It may be, one of those things, it's like a day-to-day thing, but I feel like there's a measure of stability or security here. Alright, I'm feeling drawn to the Ghost Tarot, so we'll continue there. If this is resonating for you, Taurus, go ahead and give me a like or a subscribe. Yeah, there's a feeling of instability, a lack of courage or strength, maybe even a little bit of a lack of conviction, because somebody felt like they had to be sneaky, maybe dishonest, maybe even take something. So we have the Three of Cups clarifying the Magician. Someone felt like they had everything that they needed, everything that they had wanted, but it still didn't seem to be something that they wanted to celebrate. It's like you focus really, really hard on getting this particular thing. Maybe you save up money and you want to buy something, and the amount of time it takes you to save money up for that thing, they've like released like the next iPhone or whatever it was, like the next version of it. Like there's like a lack of excitement over getting what it was this person wanted, and heartbreak. Three of Swords. I think for someone here, you may have gotten the relationship you'd worked really hard to get, only to find that that person was not what you built them up in your head to be. They were not as dedicated to the things that matter to you as you are. There was like a disappointment. Justice in the reverse. Somebody did something pretty heartless here. There's an injustice. And I feel like we still need some sort of resolution or karma. Someone here is very focused on processing this in a mature way, doing some sort of introspection, healing, and not letting it stop the progress that they've made on their own. You have the Page of Pentacles in the upright, right where the Page of Pentacles in the reverse is. So there's a change now. Somebody who didn't want to put effort or start fresh with somebody is now ready to put effort into something. It's almost like one thing had to fall apart before they could invest or be okay with mending something else. So we have the King of Swords in the reverse. There was an argument here where somebody was playing fast and loose with the words. I would say probably a little bit of gaslighting, like I said earlier, right? And there's a sense that this led to a bigger issue than it needed to be. There was a foundation that was very strong that had basically a large crack from this argument, and now I feel like somebody is trying to determine how strong this foundation still is or whether it can be repaired. Here you are, Taurus, the Hierophant. I don't know why, but I view this as respect. I usually see this as like a relationship. I think it's the angle because you're looking up at this like bishop-like figure. I feel like there's a desire to show respect. To a Queen of Swords, a feminine energy that is seen as intelligent and maybe a little bit cold herself. Ten of Cups in the reverse. Why is Ten of Cups in the reverse here? It looks almost like the Death card to me because we have literally, you know, the dude, Death, in his black cape, leading ghosts with his scythe in hand. It kind of feels to me like there's a big change happening on the home front, or an ending. We have the Queen of Wands. So maybe somebody feels pressure to act quickly because this Queen of Swords is also a Queen of Wands. She's bringing in a new opportunity. Alright, well, I hope that answers some question there for you, Taurus, and that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.